Today I want to introduce a brand new revolutionary app for the Jamaican trucking industry. So let's begin. Right here we have driver sign up page and customer sign up page. But first let's look into how you sign up as a customer. Basic information is required, your email, create a password that's unique to you, your name, and your phone number, and the company field is required, so you can still put your name there if you're not a company. Accept terms and agreement and move on to the board. Now here, signing as a customer, you're now able to see all the available drivers that are listed in Kingston, Clarendon, St. Catherine. You can search by date, you can search by parish and see available drivers. This board is pretty easy to use. Simple, 3 clicks will get your information. You can also post your truck and post your load. So here we're looking at a customer that has a load to ship, posting a load. They're shipping 20 bags of cement. They're picking up in Montego Bay, and they're going to Manchester, Mandeville. The price is listed. No need to put a comma. The system will automatically do that. Choose your date and post. You can see it in your section where it says My Loads. That indicate the loads that you have posted. Here you're looking at a attempt to update the actual load. You can update your loads information, date, pickup time, phone numbers. You can also go back in there and you can delete the actual load. And that option is there. Now, you can go in and negotiate with a driver. Click on the driver information, negotiate with driver, read the terms and condition. Do not send money without proper verification. You can call or you can send an email. Take you straight to the number once the number is clicked. So now we're going to move on to signing up as a driver. And to show you what you will see when you log on as a driver, we're going to get into it as soon as we show all these fields here in the first section. You can also take a picture, add to your profile, so that you can identify your profile. We are still working on the algorithms to allow your profile picture to be represented on your post page, and that should be readily available on the next update. So now we're going to try to sign in as a driver. Signing in as a driver is the same fields required: your email, your password, your full name, phone number, and it is required as a customer to have the company field filled out just the same. You can view the terms and agreement, and you can accept terms and sign up, and it will take you through straight to the load board. So now you're on the load board. This is all the available loads that has been posted on the load board, possible from yesterday to the next 7 days. There's loads for the future. In the past, you can access the map, you can get directions once you go into a load details. So once you see a load, you can click on the load option, go into it, view the details, and if you like what you see, make sure you read the terms and agreement, and you can go ahead and negotiate with the customer. Basic, simple load board, 3 clicks. Change dates for search. You can also search by parish. You can also search by dates. So you're able to narrow down the field of the loads that are on the board to your liking. Okay, so you scroll down, loads coming from Clarendon, go to St. Elizabeth. It tells you the type of load. So this load board was designed very simple so that a driver can take his one hand and his thumb and book a load or post his truck in 2 seconds. So here we go, he's showing you how to post a truck. This takes 2 seconds. The parish the truck is located, the city, phone number to contact the driver, and post. Under my posting, you're now looking at driver, showing these posting, and it's verified that it is actually posted. It's listed on his post. You can update that post, change the date. You can also delete the posting. And that posting is there so that a customer looking for a driver can find that actual driver. And it's vice versa. Driver looking for a customer can find each other. That's the purpose of the load board. You can also create your profile picture. And as I said before, the algorithm is being changed so that this will be reflected on the page of your post as a driver. So the basic fundamentals of the app is simple. Drivers meet customers, customers meet drivers. That is to solve the issue where long-standing been drivers would sit at the typical hardware store waiting for a phone call to get a load. No longer will they have to do that. Try Nuff Loads. Download the app now.